I've been lucky enough to be able to turn my passion of woodworking and homes and remodeling into a profession, and every day is exciting. I'm Dane Stevenson, owner of Arkwright Construction. We are known for doing strictly residential, high-end remodeling, kitchens, baths, as much as a full gut rehab with additions and anything in between. I started Arkwright Construction with a want to build better. Craftsmanship is the foundation of that. From the custom millwork to the custom matched trim profiles to the handmade metal windows, our projects, they're timeless. We are selective with our customers and with what projects we take on. We are not a volume builder. We are not trying to be the biggest. We are aiming to exceed our customers' expectations. Trust right from the beginning is immensely important. We're going into their home, we're going into their personal space, and so we have to make sure that they know that we're going to take care of them. Transparent processes and clear communication is at the forefront of what we do. Our project managers are able to translate that process and make sure that it goes smoothly and make sure that our customers' visions are really brought to life. We bring solutions. Our project managers do email updates, multiple meetings a week, and on top of that, daily logs that the homeowner can see whether they're on site or not. Every job needs different attention to different details. Our jobs aren't just another job. They are a relationship. And the biggest compliment that we can get is for one of our customers to be so pleased with the outcome of their project that they refer us to one of their friends or their family. It really means the world.